Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Aika and I honestly cannot believe that summer is almost over. I feel like it flew by with the blink of an eye. Like one day it was 1st of June and today we're already at like the end of August almost. It's always very upsetting, but at the same time it means that it's time to upgrade our closets with new fall pieces, with new winter pieces. It's also sales time, and in this video I'm actually gonna share with you some of the scores I had during this sale. Sale is still on, and I will link all of these pieces. Well, I'm pretty sure the My Theresa piece is still available. However, I'm not sure about this two over here. But anyway, without any further ado, let's get into the video. I actually didn't go too crazy with the purchases, and I'm not buying a lot of ready-to-wear right now because I'm still pregnant and I'm due on the 1st of October. I still have like an entire September to be pregnant, so no rush buying new clothing pieces. And another reason is because I'm not quite sure what size I'll be wearing once I deliver the baby. What I wanted to say by this is that I'm not, going crazy with the purchases, but I wanted to take advantage of sales, and I did get pieces that will for sure fit me. Let's start with this box. This is something from Senreve, and I used to work with this brand. How pretty is this box with pink inside? I had a discount code for you guys. I don't anymore, unfortunately. And also, I'm not even sure if these pieces are still on sale. Like, they don't really call it sale. I forgot what the name is, but they do the sales of pieces that either didn't sell or were on display or something like that. And I saw some ready to wear on discount, and I honestly couldn't resist because how much I just love these pieces. So what I got was, here it is. It's the cashmere cardigan, the long cardigan, and I already have one like this. I have the exact same one actually in the same color. It only comes in one size. Pregnant, no pregnant, it doesn't matter because it's one size only. Mine is, it's just getting so old, and it's not looking fresh anymore. It's not looking crisp new like this one over here, and I could probably fix it or do something to it. I mean, I'm not gonna throw it away. I will still be wearing mine, but I wanted to have a new one since it was on sale. So it's a pretty long one. This is what it looks like. It has two pockets. It's in this beautiful camel color, which I love. I just love this piece so much because I use it so much every fall, every winter. I can layer it with like a really long coat or a trench coat if it's not too cold outside. So I'd say around 13 degrees outside, I can just wear it by itself with a turtleneck or something. But it's such an easy piece to wear, such an easy piece to style. Once again, since mine was getting a little bit beat up because of how much I used it, I wanted to get a new one, and the price was quite good. So the original price, the price that I got my first one, for example, is 745 USD, I believe. And with I think it's called Handbag Revival, the sale. And with the sale, I guess it was around 30 or maybe 40% off. So I got a pretty good deal on it. On my phone, I added everything to the cart that I wanted to purchase, but I was on my holiday, I didn't have my card on me. I wanted to get back to it, the next day or later in the day, and I received this email saying, oh, you forgot something in your cart, and they gave me 10% extra off. And I was like, oh wow, thank you so much. I was gonna purchase it anyway, but having 10% extra is, why not, is a bonus. So my advice to you, if you are planning to buy something from the website, put everything in your cart, create an account I guess first so they have your email, but put everything in your cart and then just leave it for a day or two, and hopefully you will also get an email with extra 10%. So this is the first item. And the other piece that I got from Senreve is no surprise. It's the same cardigan, cashmere cardigan, but in gray color. I always wanted a gray because I feel like gray and that beige camel one just give two completely different moods, right? They set two completely different tones. This one was even cheaper, so they had a bigger discount of this one. I guess it was around 60% off. I don't know why. This one was around 300. The other one was a bit more expensive, as I said, so around 400, and then I got extra 10% off. So in the end, it was a little bit over $600, and the retail price without sale on one of these cardigans is $745. So I thought it was such an amazing deal, such a bargain. For cashmere, it's a really good price, and it's not thin cashmere. It's, you know, pretty heavy duty, it's pretty thick, and it's very warm. Like, I'm not trying them on now because I know it's gonna be boiling hot. Like, I am hot already wearing this dress, but having this cardigan, I would just die. But I will post a few pictures of me wearing my camel cardigan, the one that I have already, so you can see what it looks like on. And I really think that I'll be using these cardigans even more this year because I will give birth and I will have to walk my baby a lot outside, and the weather will be chilly already. So since they're so comfy and so easy to use, they're also very long, so they keep your entire back and your legs warm. I thought I needed new cardigans for winter. I will link them in the description box. No discount code, unfortunately. I'm very sorry, but I do not work with the brand anymore, so I don't have one. And now let's move on to the yellow box over here. I got something from My Theresa. You know, they have such an amazing selection of sales items on the website. I was really impressed, but My Theresa generally has amazing stock of everything, and this year no different. So when we open the box, you have your receipt over here, and then you have a little thank you note. And what is this? Oh, this is the return label. And here is the item that I got. It's from Brunello Cucinelli, and it's a pair of shoes. This is my very first purchase from this brand. And you know, I've known this brand for such a long time. My aunt and my uncle, they're, you know, big fans of this brand. They've been loyal customers for many, many years, and they always said amazing things about this brand, about how amazing the quality of their product is. I saw this item on sale. They also had, for a few days only, they had 20% extra on sales items. So I was lucky to find this on sale, and plus I got extra 20% off. So it was a steal, you know. Here's the dust bag. And they had my size, but my size is usually 37.5. This time I went for 38, and I will explain why. Here are the boots I end up going for, in this brown color with sheep fur inside, so they should be very, very warm. They also have some, you know, little metal details over here, like the shiny details, which is also very cute. But it's, you know, a very, I would say, simple mountainy pair of shoes. So I got them in size 38, although they run true to size, for two reasons. Number one, my feet are still swollen, and I'm not sure if they will go back to the pre-pregnancy times. Some people keep their old size, the pre-pregnancy size, but for some people their size, shoe size changes, and it grows like half a size or one size bigger. My entire adulthood I had 37.5. All of my shoes fit me perfectly, and now they don't, which sucks. So I have decided to go half a size bigger just to be sure the shoe will fit. And another reason is because since there is some fur inside, it's usually fluffy, it takes up some space, and usually when you buy boots like this, you always go half size bigger, and I'm glad I did, because if I went for 37.5, they would definitely be too small on me. But the size is perfect, so I would say take your regular size. It will be good on you. And you know, I have quite a lot of different pairs of boots, and the reason why I wanted to get a new one, and this one specifically, is because all of the shoes that I have don't have any fur inside. They're more of, you know, fall type of shoes, fall type of boots. But since winters are not that cold here, and since I never spent too much time outdoor, I never had the need to go, you know, heavy duty on my boots, and I was fine. But now with the baby coming, once again, lots of walks outside, I knew I had to get something that would keep me warm, something like this. I have a pair of Uggs. I don't feel comfortable wearing them. They just, you know, it's been such a long time since I last wore my Uggs that I tried them on and they just didn't feel comfortable at all. And I also hate that if it's raining or if it's snowing outside, they get all wet inside, which is so disgusting. I hate the feeling, and very slippery as well. So I knew I wanted a proper boot like this one. So they have the chunky sole, the color is pretty much neutral, that will go with everything. It has some black details, some, like, you know, silver details. I can also change the shoelaces to gray color to match with cooler outfits. The original price was around 1,300, then they were 50% off. With the extra 20% off, I ended up getting them for 530, 540 Swiss francs, which in my opinion is such a steal for a boot like this, right? They still have a few sizes available, so if you're interested, I will link them below. They have 37.5, by the way, if you are the same size as I used to be. But I'm super happy with this purchase, and I feel like I'm ready for the winter walks. Now I really have to adjust my closet, my wardrobe to the baby to be able to walk with her outside, to, you know, feel comfortable. So basically I need to adapt to my new life, and I think I'm doing great. This is pretty much everything I need for my outdoor walks. But are you guys updating your closets yet? Have you purchased anything from the new season? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!